Hello students, in this video I'll teach you how to find LCM. But first of all, let's understand what is LCM. LCM stands for least common multiple or lowest common multiple. So if we take two integers a and b, then we can say that LCM is the smallest positive integer that is evenly divisible by both a and b. For example, if we take two integers 4 and 6, where multiple of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on, and multiple of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on, then here we can see that 12 is the lowest common number which come in both 4 and 6. Therefore, LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Methods to find LCM. In this video, we are going to find LCM by two methods. First, by finding common multiples, and second, by prime factorization method. So, first of all, let's understand by finding multiples. Let's take two numbers, that is 2 and 3, where multiple of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on, and multiple of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. And here we can see that 6 is the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3, and hence LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Now let us take three numbers, that is 8, 12, 16, where multiple of 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56 and so on. Multiple of 12 is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72 and so on. Multiple of 16 is 16, 32, 48, 64, 80 and so on. Here we can see that the first lowest common multiple in all the three cases are 48. Therefore, LCM of 8, 12 and 16 is 48. Second, by prime factorization method. If we will take three numbers, that is 12, 16, 24, and to find LCM of 12, 16, 24, we will write it as, and we will divide it by lowest number, that is here 2 is the lowest number by which 12 is divided by 6 times, and again 2 divide it 6 by 3 times and 3 by 1 times. We will divide until we do not get 1 at the end. Similarly, in 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. In 24, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now, multiple of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Multiple of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Multiple of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now to find LCM of 12, 16, 24, we will multiply the multiples or factor of 12, 16, 24. But remember, we will not repeat number which are common in 2 or 3 number, that is here 2 are common in all 3 number, again 2 are common in all 3 number, and again 2 are common in 16 and 24, and 3 are common in 12 and 24. So we will write it at one time, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 48. Now we can also find LCM of 12, 16, 24 simultaneously, for which we will write it as, and as we have previously done, we will take smallest number by which 12, 16, 24 is divisible, or any one or two of them are divisible. Now in this case we will take 2 by which 12 is divisible by 6 times. 16 is divisible by 8 times, 24 is divisible by 12 times. Now again we can see that all the number are divisible by 2. So again we will take 2, by which 6 is divisible by 3 times, 8 is divisible by 4 times, and 12 is divisible by 6 times. Now here we can see that 4 and 6 is divisible by 2. So again we will take 2, where we will write 3 as it is not divisible by 2, and we will divide 4 2 by 2 times, 6 by 3 times. Now again we will write 3 as it is not divisible by 2, and we will divide 2 by 1 time. Now we can see that there is no more number which is divisible by 2, so we will divide 3 by 3, and at last we will get 1 at all the places. Now LCM of 12, 16, 24 is 48, which we get by multiplying all the factor of 12, 16 and 24.